Stop scrolling! Your next notebook is secretly from the future. Trend 1. Eco-friendly materials. Sustainability continues to be a top priority in the stationery market. Safe trees still look cute. Trend 2. Personalized customization. Personalization will become more common in stationery. Your planner now has main character energy. Trend 3. Smart integration of stationery. Incorporating technology into stationery products is a growing trend. Trend 4. Multifunctional stationery. Consumers are increasingly seeking multifunctional products that combine form and function. One book, many jobs. Trend 5. Tactile details. Consumers want more tactile, premium stationery. If it's bumpy, people can't stop touching it. Trend 6. Soft color tones. Calming colors will reflect the growing trend for mindfulness and serenity in consumer products. Trend 7. Premium stationery. Demand for luxury stationery will grow, particularly in the luxury market. Trend 8. Minimalism. Minimalism will continue to be a dominant design philosophy. Less mess, more progress. Trend 9. Emotional experience. Stationery that offers an emotional connection will see increased demand. Trend 10. Aesthetic-driven collections. In 2026, more stationery lines will blend fashion, art, and utility through artistic collaborations. Follow for more notebook trends.